Mir Sadiq or Gudu Khan, who held the post of a minister in the cabinet of Tipu Sultan of Mysore in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War in 1798-99. He betrayed Tipu Sultan during the Siege of Seringapatam, paving the way for a British victory. He secretly killed many of Tipu's loyal and trusted officers and trapped the army behind locked doors. Mir Sadiq betrayed and withdrew his troops stationed at the breach. British troops were assembled in the trenches waiting for such a signal. Thus, British breached the fortress before Tipu Sultan martyrdom. He was approached by the British for a disgraceful compromise or surrender, which Tipu Sultan declined in these famous historic words: "Single day in the life of a tiger is far better than that of 100 years of a jackal." Hence, the name Tiger of Mysore. Mir Sadiq, after betraying Tipu Sultan, he mounted his horse and went forth from the fort and arrived at the third gate of Gunjam, where he desired the gatekeepers to shut the gate as soon as he had passed through, as he was attempting to go over to welcome the British. While he was speaking, a man came forward and began to revile him for betraying the Sultan. This man then with one cut of his sword struck Mir Sadiq off his horse on the ground. He was killed by the dismayed Mysorean troops. This prompted the famous poet Allama Iqbal to render the couplet: Jafar as Bengal, Sadiq as Deccan, Nangai Deen, Nangai Millat, Nangai Watan, which mean Jafar Mir of Bengal and Sadiq Mir of Deccan are a disgrace to the faith, a disgrace to the nation, and a disgrace to the country. People still curse at the grave of Mir Sadiq for betraying the great Tipu Sultan. The name Mir Sadiq is still used as a symbol of betrayal.